Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear, but I'm basically trying to figure out what this noise is that's coming from my car now. It out of nowhere, it's just got the Hemi tick, and I'm trying to figure out if it's the lifters before I rip the motor apart, because as you can see, I have great oil pressure. So I'm a little confused. I'm gonna have to do an oil change. I can't do an oil change today because it's Christmas. AutoZone everywhere is closed, so I can't get oil. So basically right now I'm doing is just test driving it. Haven't drove it since yesterday when it first started making this noise. It does say oil change due, but I did never reset my shit when I did it, so I don't know. But I'm gonna do another oil change, see what that shit's talking about. Damn, I was about to say my shit's tripping. Need vehicle speed. Residual value. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear, but I don't know if it could be an exhaust leak because my exhaust manifolds definitely are leaking. So if I do an oil change and no metal shavings come out of the oil, then I'm gonna just take it to my exhaust shop and have him look over the whole exhaust, make sure there ain't no manifold leak or nothing. Cause it's weird. I mean, the car's still driving like fine. I mean, I don't notice anything different yet. Like, I don't hear the noise right now. I was over here so confused. I'm like, there's no way I'm hitting 100 miles an hour. Just to realize I'm in kilometers. There we go. But yeah, it's weird. Like, the car's driving great. Like, I don't get it. If anybody got any ideas of what you think this could be, let me know. It's more or less under like 2,000 RPMs. It's making a heavy tick noise. A lot of people say it's normal, but it just got a little more noticeable to me, so it's starting to bother me. You got dumb people just pull right out in front of you and then drive slow as shit. I hate that shit. Don't fucking pull out in front of me just to drive slow, cuz. Let's give it a little drop. Let's see. Like that. I gotta watch out for the police. They be sitting over here. My boy Marsh, shout out Marsh, he working, getting that money. Merry Christmas to everybody. Little Christmas vlog for y'all. I'll see him outside. We're gonna go pull up somewhere so I can show y'all. But yeah, I noticed my oil dipstick tube is loose, but it's definitely not that rattling or nothing, so I can't even say it's that. But I don't know, this shit's weird because the car's driving great. If it's my lifters, I know why it's the lifters, because I've been driving this car since I had it the last 3 years. I've been driving this shit with fucking the MDS on here, as you can hear right now. That shit kicks in and out. MDS is bad for the Hemis. I don't even know why they put them on them. This is an 8-cylinder car. Why would you put MDS to make it kick into 4-cylinder mode? That's stupid as shit. Like, it's a V8. Don't you want to be in V8 mode all the time? That's why we buy them. At least me. I don't care for no eco mode, man. I don't want no eco mode on my shit. I ain't buy a V8 to be in eco mode. I can hear the noise slightly right now. Might be able to hear it when we stop. Yeah, I can hear it right now. So it's really at idle. You guys ain't even hear with this fucking blinker. Hear it? I don't know. Comment down below if y'all hear it in the video though. That's weird, because I swear I just turned my wheel a little bit and that shit went away. I'm gonna have to take my belt off the pulleys and start it, and then check over all the tensioners and pulleys. Because I did just put a new tensioner for the pulleys on the serpentine in the front. So I did that probably like a month or so ago. Who knows? I just gotta go over everything. Let's see, we'll stop right here. We're gonna do a little pull. Here. I don't know if y'all hear it. We're gonna try to get a little pull though. Take off easy. Like I let it slide for a minute and then I basically like just eased into it, and then I picked up as I got over to higher speeds. John is moving. Like I said, the reason I think it's an exhaust leak is because fucking... Even right now, after doing that pool, I can smell more fumes. Look, at idle, 29 oil pressure, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Is that bad or good? In my eyes, that's good. But obviously, if you throw a Hellcat oil pump on these, you can get it to be up higher. Which, if I do the lifters, I'm doing a Hellcat. I'm gonna do a can. Y'all gonna see the whole build. I was already looking at the kit, but shit, maybe I'll hop out right here and show you. Cause you can hear that shit. Let me know if y'all hear it. What's it sound like to y'all? Comment down below, let me know. It actually don't sound that bad right now. It sounds good. A little bit, I mean, you hear it. It's more of on this side. Whatever it is on this passenger side. But yeah, man, y'all see it. We outside, man. Y'all better stay tuned into the vlogs. We bring you a little short vlog. Might be something with my exhaust, to be honest. The exhaust is rattling. And we're just trying to figure out if this damn shit is the lifters or not. Like, that's the thing. I had a 5.7 Hemi that I built, and that shit had bad lifters, and it definitely sounded worse than this. So it's like, I don't even know. I'm just trying to figure this shit out because it's bothering me. This shit started yesterday while I was in a fucking drive-thru getting food. But like anything right now, like I don't even hear that shit. I feel like if it was the lifters, I would really know. Like you would really know if it's the lifters, I feel like. But yeah, man. Besides this, I had to fix my truck as soon as I woke up. I woke up to my truck with a dead battery. I haven't drove the truck in like shit, probably like a week for real. So that shit just been sitting in the cold, and I've been needed to replace the battery, but I didn't do it. So bitch, I went to start that shit this morning, and that shit was not having it, man. since it wasn't having it, I ended up having an extra brand new battery laying around from my dad's girlfriend's car before she scrapped it. Threw that shit in there, cleaned up the battery terminals, and the truck's good to go. It's winter time, so basically I'm not really stressing. Like I said, if this is the lifters on here, it's not that bad yet because I'm only hearing it on the passenger side. It almost sounds like it's coming from that exhaust manifold, which I seen on that side there is an exhaust manifold leak. So it could be that. Maybe we'll do like another little pull real quick. I was trying to do 0 to 60, so let's see if I can hit one of those. Back. SRT mode. The hard part to get a 0 to 60 is to not spin. I don't know how to do that with this. I was gonna slide this bitch turned around, but we ain't gonna do that. I don't know whose business this is. I'm not an asshole like that, like I used to be. Damn, man, we going through a puddle, man. So of course, now our tires are wet. Traffic, come on, watch out. Move, dog. I'm doing a little pool. Yeah, that shit's not bad for real, so, I mean, we gonna figure it out. Like I said, if the car starts to drop oil pressure and shit, that's when you really gotta worry about lifters, from what I know, but... Are you serious? It says that was my 0 to 60, cuz I was not doing a 0 to 60. You're funny as hell. Let me pull over real quick. I got a car coming behind me. I got this all zoomed in, my bad. I was trying to show y'all the 0 to 60 up close. I'm gonna just put my 4 ways on. Act like we just broke down. But yeah, man, we bring y'all a vlog on Christmas, man. Let me take off my phone lock. Damn, another car, man. I'm trying, you know what I mean? Also, might get the iPhone 16, so y'all will be seeing better content off the phone vlogs. I lost my GoPro. I am going to probably get another GoPro. If I don't get a GoPro, I'm thinking about getting, they got the new Deji cameras. It's like the drones. Same brand as the drones. Let's go up here. We need to get a good spot to do the... We got to be on the straightaway. You don't want to ever do no 0 to 60 on a fucking... on a bend. Like, that's bad. I don't know why the light just got so bad in here. I don't know what's going on with that shit. My bad. Had to just fix that for y'all. But we're going to spin around right here. Probably do it right here. We're going to just do a little 0 to 60 for y'all. Show y'all what the, you know. I mean, I'm on ball tires, so this ain't going to be an exact 0 to 60. But you get the point. You know what I mean. We're going to have to go up and turn around. Because I'm not trying to turn around in the middle of the road and then a car comes around this corner. I mean, maybe we'll turn around right here. Let's see. Yeah, nah, we'll go up and turn around real quick. But basically, yeah, this vlog's pretty much just about me trying to diagnose and figure out this noise I'm hearing in the 6.4 liter Hemi, man. Trying to bring y'all more car content. Like, show y'all show y'all a little bit about what I do and stuff on my free time, and you know, just daily life activities and stuff. Alright, let's get this 0 to 60 real quick, and then I'm probably not gonna bore y'all too much. I just wanted to give y'all an update on the car. Also, for my people that are, you know, interested in all the dirt bike quad videos, I know the last video I posted was picking up an LTR 450, and update on that is I'm waiting on the parts. I diagnosed what it was. The bike does have spark, not like the owners claimed it didn't have spark. It has spark. I got it to fire up, it just cuts off. The starter clutch isn't doing its job right. So I'm gonna replace the starter clutch on that. I'm waiting on parts, and then you guys will see that. But besides that, let's get a little 0 to 60 real quick. At least try. We're gonna have to pull off slow. Damn, see, bro, it's so hard to do a 0 to 60 without launch control, I feel like. That's still slow, but you gotta remember, I'm trying to do this shit with one hand while spinning. That's one of my worst ones. 5.3 seconds. That's bad. My first ever one I did was 4.3 seconds or so. We're gonna try. I want to do one more, but I'm just trying to get the car hot and see if that noise changes or makes my car act any differently. I mean, you see oil pressure's still good, coolant temp's good, transmission temp, all that shit's good. So I don't know if it's something I should be worried about. Like I said, to me, I think it's one of the exhaust bolts broke, but with these cars, you never know. Lifters go. I'm at 27,000 miles on an original motor, srt8 6.4. Alright, hold on. We gotta get better at that shit. That shit's hard. Damn. Oh, fucking sliding so much fucking rear almost came out of this shit. Holy shit. I'm not gonna keep doing them too much, but we're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna take this bitch back to the crib. I'm gonna just try to do an oil change on this shit and see if it helps the noise. And a little Jumanji for y'all. But fucking, like I was saying, though, I'm gonna try to do an oil change. If metal shavings come out of the oil, then I'm gonna have to worry about something internally. Which, like I said, I'm gonna just order this whole cam kit from 797 Performance. If y'all don't know who they are, go check them out, look them up. They got a website. Pretty sure they got a shop in Philly as well. Get all your parts from there. And yeah, man. Hope y'all enjoy the vlogs. Hopefully, if there's something y'all hear, and you know, obviously y'all hear shit rattling, but that's because I got fucking shit in the door over there. But yeah, man, I don't know. Let's just try to pull off easy. Yeah, nah. We gotta beat 5.2 seconds. Then I'll be satisfied. Let's beat 5.2, and then we'll end the vlog here. But yeah, if y'all have a 6.4, comment down below what y'all think could be going on. Y'all think it's an exhaust manifold leak? Do y'all think, you know, it's a lifter? Like I said, it's more or less on the passenger side. This side is more quiet. But it could be the lifters starting to go, because like I said, the MDS delete. Well, the MDS shit on this shit kills these motors. well, kills the lifters. So that's another reason why I want to get that shit fixed. So we're gonna do that. I was gonna slide it. I'm like, nah, let me chill. Too many people over here at these warehouses and shit. Damn, my shit just spun like I didn't even realize I was spinning. This motherfucker is crazy. Hope y'all enjoy the content. Comment down below what else y'all want to see. Y'all want to see more SRT content. Y'all want to see the project of me rapping this and doing do y'all want to see me adding the wicker build, the front bumper, the lip, like all that good shit. Just let me know what y'all think. We're gonna try to do one. This is gonna be the last one. There's a bump up there that keeps fucking me up though. I start hitting this motherfucker so much, I hit that shit and it jumps. Last one. We're gonna have to do more pulls when we get tires. I don't know if y'all could see or hear, but all we did was slide. Plus I gotta practice my pulls. For sure the last one. I just don't like 5.4 seconds. That's trash. I could do that in a fucking Kia. Alright. Not the best. 5.1 seconds. This shit's just practicing, helping me get my launches. Nah, we ain't gonna do it there because cars and shit. I don't want to do nothing with oncoming traffic. But yeah, man, this might wrap up this vlog. Obviously ain't nothing too crazy, but I mean, I just wanted to give y'all a little update on what's going on with the scat. This shit says no stopping or standing. Bitch, I'm stopping and standing. We're gonna end the video here though. So yeah, man. Hear it? That's after doing all them pulls and shit. Yeah, don't get it fucked up. Don't think we did that for no reason. Look at that shit. That shit's smooth. But yeah, man. Y'all shit. Big 300 outside. If y'all enjoyed this video, let me know. Comment down below. You already know. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down what y'all think this noise could be. Y'all think this is the Henny chick? Is this something I should be worried about? Seemed like it's getting a little quieter as it got warmer, so that's another reason why I think it's that. But here's the cop coming, so we're gonna get out of here. He tries to mess with us.